In the morning, I'm off to the volcano Bromo. I just arrived after 15 hours door to door. The next hike starts at 3:30 in the morning. My deluxe room, it's just for 5 hours of sleep that I desperately need. Guys, welcome to Mount Bromo. Right, it's not Mount Bromo, it's the Mount Bromo viewpoint. So I hiked up here for sunrise. I think now it's like roughly 5 AM in the morning. We started hiking at 3:30. And this is just incredible. Look at that. That's Bromo, like that's the volcano. There's the sun coming up, a new day.
From the place beneath the willow, so many years, too many tears on your pillow,
Waiting for the sunrise. It's pretty cold up here, especially when you hike up and then you sweat, and then the sweat cools down, so it's pretty cold. But look at that. Sunrise is, no, you can't see. Sunrise is over there. And there's Bromo. So
Don't you wait until the morning light, far away, far.
So I'm on my way down to the village again and then heading over to the crater. I hope I'm gonna make it in time because I need to check out by 12, like now it's like 6 in the morning. Need to check out by 12 and then we also go back to Probolinggo at 2 in the afternoon in Europe. It's also the best feeling when the sun comes up and you start feeling its warmth kicking in. And this is awesome. And actually seeing the way that you came up when it was pitch dark. Pitch black. I lost the other part of my group because they wanted to go up to the top of the mountain, which was super steep. So I was like, okay, I'm staying at the proper viewpoint, and that was amazing. So yeah, but I'm gonna meet them again later to catch the train and the bus with them.
Don't you wait until the morning light, far away until you're out of sight,
Next up, crater. Taking the villagers trail because that is for free. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go hike some more. But the best thing is the weather forecast for this time of day was like 100% rain, and look at that. There's not a single cloud up there. Yes, winning. Thank God it's flat for the next kilometer. Now I'm gonna walk through the ashes of the volcano. And I'm the only one walking this trail right now. Nobody else. Might try to catch a ride on the way back. This is like so surreal. It's like I'm the only person walking over here, the free trail. Through the Moon Desert, which was really weird, but really cool, being the only one super remote. Walking on the moon. So this is where it gets steep. I'm gonna go up there. Halfway up, I guess. Oh man, it's pretty hard. There's 2 hikes in one day. From there, up there, back there, down the steep part, walking all the way over here, and now we're going up, and then the final end boss, or the stairs. Stairway to heaven. We started over there, where you have the two trees next to each other, the two small ones. Like there. That looks so much closer from the other side. Tiny little 270 steps up to the rim of the crater. Let's prep. Thank you, terima kasih. Work, 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 work. This is my view right now, and it is still just 8:30 in the morning. Well guys, this is intense. I didn't expect it to be that cool, but you can hear the lava, and you can also see how it's making bubbles. I also just bumped into the rest of my group again. They're gonna hike that mountain now, but they cheated. They took a motorbike in between the other mountain and over here, and I kept walking. I might be slow on the way up, but endurance. No, I'm just kidding. This is so cool. Okay, photo session. Gotta take some pictures. Yes, 2 hikes done. I pushed there. I was doubting myself on the second hike a couple of times. So yeah, I pushed through. Smells so much like sulfur up here. So yeah, now is just the way back. The way back. All back over there. Up there. So yeah, I'm gonna go down, and I'm trying to catch a jeep or a motorbike, so I don't need to walk again. Hello!
Hello!
Which is very close to the ferry to Bali already, so yeah, classic photobomb. But they should stop doing the horse riding up here. The horses look really bad. Poor little ponies. Guys, and there's also so much trash lying around here. So much trash. We need to fucking clean up this planet. Seriously. There's a flip-flop lying there. Why? There's a water bottle. There's some miso soup, noodle soup, leftover packaging. There's a flip-flop. I mean, keep your trash and take it home with you. We're ruining this whole amazing planet.